Hello friends. Welcome to a new video here on your TV box and multimedia channel. This time we are going to show you how to connect with our phone to our Roku so that the image of our Android phone is seen on the screen of our television wirelessly. This can also be achieved with a laptop of recent model, some could be said 5 years to the present, so that they have the ability to be wireless display. We are going to show you in this video how to connect with our Roku. It's very simple, folks. Let's go to the configuration of our Roku, which, if you realize, has different options. We're going to go here, where it says Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Here in AirPlay it will help us to connect with an Apple device, either your iPhone or your iPad. With this we will activate for the iPod, the iPad. Or can the iPhone send us wireless image to the screen of our Roku? If you notice, here come the options, but this we will leave for another video. This time we are going to connect with Android. So we're going to go here. A system. And let's search. Screen mirroring. Here in screen mirroring, let's give. Here in screen mirroring mode, we are going to give you to tell us when a device wants to reflect on the screen of our Roku on our television, since we will always allow anyone to give it. Anyway, screen sharing and viewing on your TV without any authorization. Let's leave it at that in the indication that. Well, that's all we have to do, since our Roku comes prepared to make that kind of connection. And what we need is our Android phone. In this case, I have a Samsung. And I'm going to tell you how to make the wireless display. Let's give it here on the menu. In the drop-down menu that is from top to bottom. Let's bring it a little closer. And we searched here, among all the icons, the icon that is called Smart View. It's called Smart View on devices. Samsung, this is a Samsung Galaxy S8. And we're going to give it here in Smart View. In others on other devices, can you tell them? What is wireless display? If you notice, it already appears to us. The Roku streaming stick and is what we are going to connect to. On some devices it says, wireless screen, cast screen. And they can also look for it in another way if it does not appear in the tab that, we are going to settings. On screen. And in some people some models will appear. Cast screen, wireless display, or screen sharing. It can come to you in different ways, in this case it is Smart View. Let's select it. And we're going to select Roku and wait to see what happens on our Roku device. We wait. If you notice, he tells us by connecting on the phone. And in our Roku it appears. What if we are going to allow it? We can always give you allow, and so you will no longer ask us again. Are we going to give him permission this time? And if you're already going to be connecting or following it, give it permission, we're always going to allow it. And we wait. To connect? We wait for you to connect. They do notice. The same thing already appears on our screen. that we have on the phone. If you have videos saved here, you will be able to see them on the screen. All kinds of things. We're going to reproduce something for you to see. I'm going to leave you the video and also everything. And it also transfers the audio to them. They make a full copy of our phone screen and also listen to the audio on their TV. If you notice, it works perfectly for us. So much so that we can also enter YouTube and open videos in case they want to. But then our Roku already. It opens videos because it has its YouTube application. But then if you have any other application they want to view on their TV screen, or just if they have some mail or something, or if you want to view an Excel file. Yes, it can serve them for that kind of thing. Since it works very well, very fluid. Isn't that much lost, huh? With lag it does not have so much lag, since it is connected via Wi-Fi, because the Rockwell is connected to the same network as our phone. Well, that's it. I hope you like it. We can also open games. And that they are seen on the screen. Simply. They're going to see each other. But I think it is not recommended to play it, since there will be a little input lag between the difference between the screen and the phone by the wireless connection. The data that is lost in the wireless connection. Well, it would be all, friends. I hope you like it. I hope it serves you. See you in an upcoming video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.